I am born with potential. I am born with potential. I am born with goodness and trust. I am born with ideas and dreams. I am born with greatness. I am born with confidence. I am born with wings. I am born with wings. So, I am not meant for crawling. I have wings. I will fly and fly. This is a poem of 13th century. It makes you to fly. How many of you want to fly? All of you want to fly. Now how to do that? My message to you and friends is that education gives you wings to fly. Achievement comes out of the fire in our subconscious mind that I will win. So each one of you assembled here, elsewhere, will have wings of fire. The wings of fire will indeed lead to knowledge, which will make you to fly. How many of you want to become doctors? Doctors. How many of you want to become doctors?